GSEB Class 6 English Unit 1 Health is Wealth. Language function. Observe the pictures. In, on, under, between, behind. Study the picture. Fill in the blanks with the help of words from the box given below. In, on, between, behind, under. The cat is behind the computer. The dog is under the bed. The bed is between the windows. The books are in the box. The computer is on the table. Write the sentences using the most appropriate words. I was born in, on, above 1988. He is on, in front of, between his computer. The picnic is planned in, on, into, Sunday. He'll hide behind, between, under the door. Kia swims into, in, above the pool. I was born in 1988. He is in front of his computer. The picnic is planned on Sunday. He'll hide behind the door. Kia swims into the pool. Study the picture and fill in the blanks using the words from the brackets. Example: I am running. They are running. The girls are sitting under the tree. The painter is wearing a white cap on his head. I am walking on the path. Fill in the blanks using the words from the brackets. I am going to watch a movie at the theater. We are playing in the nearby park. Pratham is singing at the function. Girls are playing chess. The teacher is teaching the students. I am reading a story book. Study the examples and make sentences. શિક્ષક વર્ગને 8 જૂથમાં વિભાજિત કરશે. 5 મિનિટનો સમય આપી ઉદાહરણ મુજબ વાક્યો લખવા કહેશે. જે જૂથ વધુ વાક્યો લખશે તે જૂથ સેન્ટેન્સ ચેમ્પિયન જૂથ તરીકે વિજેતા બનશે. એક્ઝામ્પલ: I am reading a newspaper. He is playing kho-kho. You are eating fruits. I am eating fruits. I am reading a newspaper. He is playing kho-kho. She is reading a letter. Dvija is writing a letter. The monkey is jumping on the platform. He is walking on the footpath. She is eating laddus. We are playing kabaddi. We are reading a magazine. You are eating bananas. You are walking on the footpath. They are jumping in the jungle. They are reading a newspaper. Chintan and Manan are playing kabaddi.